Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia and this is my YouTube channel where I prepared crochet projects for you. And today I prepared a video tutorial how to crochet these cheerful, colorful balls. These balls are perfect project for very beginners, and you can also very easily use up the scrappy yarns. The pattern notes are available in the box right below this video tutorial, and the written pattern is for free on my blog. I will use yarn Terezka, but you can use any yarn you like. I will work with 2 strands together using 3mm crochet hook. You will need also some sewing needle and some scissors and some stuffing, some toys stuffing. You can use any scrappy yarn, any color you like. The important is the size of the rectangle. We will create 3 the same size rectangles. Let's start with a slip knot and make a foundation chain. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24 chains. Then chain 1. Chain 1 at the beginning is not a stitch. Okay, so chain 1, which is a turning chain, insert the hook in the second chain from your hook and let's make a single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in each and every chain till you reach the end of row. We will work in rows back and forth. Chain 1 at the beginning and turn, and chain 1 at the beginning is not a stitch. Okay, so make sure you have 24 single crochet stitches in one row. There is no increase, no decrease, so you will have in each row the same number of stitches. Okay, so I will meet you at the end. I have 24 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Perfect. Now I will work in back loop only, single crochet. So insert the hook in the first single crochet, back loop only, and make a single crochet. And let's repeat. Make single crochet, back loop only in each and every stitch till you reach the last stitch at the end. Okay, so single crochet, back loop only, insert the hook between the front and back loop and make a single crochet in back loop only. Perfect. And you will have 23 single crochet stitches, and I will show you how to finish the row. Okay, so there is last stitch. Insert the hook in the top of the last stitch and make a classic normal single crochet. So only the last single crochet is the classic stitch. Then chain 1, turn your work, and let's make single crochet, back loop only again in the next 23 stitches, and only the last stitch make a normal single crochet. So you will have a nice straight ends, and making the ribbing pattern. Amazing. Now I have 7 rows finish. It's easy to count it if you have the ribbing pattern. So 2, 4, 6, 7, and you will make 2 more rectangles the same size. If you are using the different yarn, you can make more or less chains to have the same length, and 7 or more or less rows to have the same width of the rectangle. Okay, so make 3 the same size rectangles. Make sure that the length and width is the same, and now I will show you how to join them together to make the ball. We will sew together 2 rectangles. We will sew the shorter side, and the last rectangle we will pull through the 2 already sewed rectangles. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, now I have 3 and 3 rectangles prepared. I would recommend you to sew the shorter sides. If you like to crochet the sides with slip stitches, it's also possible. Just make sure that the sewing is quite tight and it's not very visible. Okay, so join last stitches, stitch to stitch. It's easy. You can pull the yarn through the last loops at the end. So 7 single crochet stitches at the end, and so also the second rectangle. So we have 2 rectangles, and now pull 1 through the second one and make an L shape. Okay, like this. And now pull the or fold the third rectangle along the longer side and pull it through the space which is in the L shape. Okay, so like this. Then the third rectangle is going over the second rectangle and under the first rectangle, and again under the second rectangle. So pull it through this yellow rectangle like this, and this is it. We will join the sides, but before sewing we have to stuff the ball with stuffing. Okay, so this is it. 3 rectangles together. Now find the space between 3 rectangles and put the stuffing through it and fill it firmly. And if you are satisfied, with the stuffing, we can sew the third rectangle. So it's super easy and quick. You can use any yarn you like, any colors you like. You can use 3 different colors or 1 color ball. And this is it. This is it, my crochet friends. You can make this ball within 1 hour, and it's perfect project for beginners. Then shape it well. Make sure there is no hole between the corners, and yeah, you have a really nice and cute toy for kids, or you can make it as a keychain. So let me show you the measurement. Let me measure the rectangle. It has 3 centimeters one side and 12 centimeters the second side. So it's really important that the measurement of the longer side is 4 times longer than the length of the shorter side. And my ball measures 9 centimeters or 18 centimeters circumference, and the height is 6 centimeters. You can make the ball bigger or smaller. The important is only the dimension of the rectangle. So make sure that the longer side is 4 times longer than the shorter side. So let me show you one more time how to make this cute colorful ball. Make a rectangle, join the sides, and then crochet 2 more rectangles, join the second one as well, and then pull the second one through the first one to shape it as a L shape. Then pull the third rectangle, which is folded along the longer side, through the first rectangle, then over the second one, through the first one, and over the second one. Put the stuffing through the space between 3 rectangles before sew the third rectangle. And once you are satisfied with the ball stuffing, sew the ends together. So guys, this is it. This is the end of my video tutorial. I hope you like it. Please let me know which colors you used, which yarn you used, and if you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video tutorial. You can reach me also on my Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram. Yeah guys, this is super quick and super easy project for very beginners, using only single crochet stitches, back loop only, and working in rows back and forth. I hope you like this video tutorial. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Guys, the pattern notes are available in the box right below this video tutorial, and written patterns are for free on my blog. So wish you happy crocheting. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.